Keyword is the fundamental aspect of any programming language. So let's understand what exactly is a keyword. So JavaScript keywords are tokens that have special meanings in JavaScript. In any kind of leading programming language like Java, C, C++ or C#, you will have a set of well-defined keywords available. So what exactly these keywords do? Keywords are used to indicate the syntax and structure of the language, such as declaring variables, declaring functions, declaring loops, and conditions. You cannot use these reserved words as identifiers. So what exactly is an identifier? Identifier is any valid name given to a variable or a function. So I will revisit identifier in detail in my upcoming videos, but for the time being, just understand that identifier is something that will be used in conjunction with keywords, and both in combining they will be giving a structure to your program. So here is a list of major JavaScript keywords or reserved words. We don't need to remember all of them because it's not actually required to remember all of them. As and when we will progress in the course, I will introduce you to the required keywords and you will learn on the go. To name a few, we can have, for example, we have where as a keyword that will be used to define a variable. We can have const as a keyword that will be used to define a constant. We can have for as a keyword that will be used to define a for loop in our program, and you should avoid using these keywords as part of our identifier name. So this is the list of HTML and window object properties, and these are also something that you should not be using as part of your identifier name. So here are few properties and methods in JavaScript that is specific to window object, and no need to worry about few terminology because we are very new in the language and you should not be worrying much about what exactly is window object. So I will clarify it in a later video, but for the time being, understand that these are something that is reserved by JavaScript and we should not be using that as a valid identifier name. So array is used to define any kind of array. String is a data type in JavaScript, and there are other data type like number. You have methods like toString. You have methods like is prototype of. You have properties like length. So all these are crucial part of JavaScript and you should not be using them as a valid identifier name. And last but not the least, you have these many event handlers in JavaScript, and we should not be using these event handler names as well as part of our valid identifier name. For this video, this is it. I will focus more on what exactly is a identifier and how you can be able to use identifier in conjunction with your keywords. So that I will revisit in the upcoming video. So for the time being, this is it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are really liking my video, please do like, share and subscribe. That will be really helping me out to prepare more such videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.